Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello. So, for a new era that demands more and a whole new generation that expects more, I'm thrilled to introduce two new devices that deliver more. Please say hello to the brand new Galaxy A80 and Galaxy A70. Please. This is A80, this is A70. Thank you. Going to the my pocket. Now, to tell you more, please welcome Ruby here in Bangkok and Nico in Milan.
Thank you, DJ. Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming to the A Galaxy event. It's so exciting to see all of you here today in Bangkok. So, when we began to design the Galaxy A series, we had one goal in mind: to help these digital pioneers push the limits of live mobile communication and give them access to the best of what they truly need in the era of live. We want you to have even more freedom to create what you want and share your amazing ideas. And this inspired us to build a device unlike any other, the Galaxy A80. As all of you know, inspiration can strike anytime, anywhere. It's important to have a display that's as spontaneous as your ideas are. As the first Galaxy device with a full screen design, the A80 offers the perfect canvas for you to explore. No front-facing camera notch. The new Infinity display is a screen that is all screen. With absolutely no distractions, the new Infinity display lets you enjoy every vibrant pixel of every video, picture, and story. Because the display is optimized to handle multitasking, you can watch YouTube and chat with your friends at the same time. Our on-screen fingerprint unlock technology is fused right into the glass so that you can keep your phone safe. And when you are taking a call, you can hear your friend through the display. Now, with all these components embedded into the screen, we reduce the bezels significantly. The new Infinity display is not just a bigger screen. It's a live platform for you to bring your ideas to life and share them. Now, you may be wondering, where is the front-facing camera? Since the Galaxy A80 is all screen from edge to edge, we had to find a way for you to still easily take selfies. But what we created is not just another selfie camera. The Galaxy A80 comes with a triple camera, which includes the 3D depth, main, and ultra-wide camera. And normally, the cameras on the back are more powerful than the front-facing cameras. But now, check this out. Cool, right? This rotating camera technology is what enabled us to create the new Infinity display. Isn't this amazing? With the rotating camera, we're not only giving you clearer and better selfies, we are enabling you to shoot epic on both sides. Now, you can create high-quality live streams and videos with the camera on the front and the back of the device, which means you can even take ultra-wide selfies so you can capture more of what you see. S10 5G, and now we've brought it to the A80. What it can do is simply astonishing. Here's how it works. Let's say you are redecorating your room. You can simply use Quick Measure to check where to hang your new decorations. Not only does it help you easily measure physical objects and spaces, you can also get a better idea of what the room will look like before you actually start to redecorate. The Galaxy A80 also lets you highlight the things that matter most with live focus videos and photos. So just like what you see in the movies, live focus videos transform your experiences into dramatic stories worth sharing. And all your life experiences, even the ones that are action-packed, can be captured smoothly thanks to super steady video support. Now, we all know how stressful it is trying to squeeze every last minute out of your phone's battery at the end of a long day. Wouldn't it be great if there was a way to automatically manage our battery throughout the day so our phones could last longer? That's exactly what the Galaxy A80's intelligent battery can do. It adapts to your routine and automatically saves power to make sure you can get through your day. The Galaxy A80 also comes with Intelligent Performance Enhancer, which learns how you use the phone, predicts what apps you will open, and optimizes its performance. For example, if you like to post a picture right after you take them, the Galaxy A80 will have your favorite social media app ready to go when you use your camera, so that you don't have to wait when you're ready to share. With a phone that knows who you are, you can simply have fun and enjoy the moment. The Galaxy A80 will launch on May 29th, and we can't wait to see what you will create with the device. But our innovation for the era of live doesn't stop here. To truly create a global live community, we believe it's important for the Galaxy A series to give everyone greater access to the best technology they need.
And on that dynamic note, we've come to the end of the first part of today's A Galaxy event here in Bangkok. I'd like to thank you all for joining us to hear about our latest devices built for the era of live.